I'm from batch number 25. My registration number is 9918005080 and these are my batchmates.
Myself Shravani, my batch number is 25 and my register number is 99507.
Myself Charan Kumar and my register number is 9918005007.
Project and our project name is the digital text and speech synthesizer using hand glove. So here we are telling about deaf and dumb people. That means not about deaf and dumb people. The communication between deaf and dumb people. We all know the communication of deaf and dumb people. They communicate using sign language. So what we are thinking is only sign language does not convey the complete meaning what they want to tell. So we have done this project and here we are telling you that this is a transformer and which converts the 290 volts to 9 volts. We need 9 volts constant volts. So the 290 volt will be converted to a 9 volts. So this is called a step down transformer and this is LCD, liquid crystal display, and this is a voice module. This total is a voice module. This is a mic which we record our voice, and these are the buttons. So in each button we have to give a small message, and this is record mode and play mode. So this is the play mode. If this thing is in play mode, the voice will be coming out which you have already recorded. If this is in this position, the voice will be recording. So this is record mode and play mode, and this is the total thing, Arduino UNO microcontroller. Our total program is already dumped into this Arduino UNO controller. And now this is a hand gesture glove. This is a glove and this is a MEMS sensor, that is MEMS sensor. Through this sensor only everything will be worked. So first thing is, this is a neutral position. This is zero position, zero axis. This is zero axis, that means neutral position. So you can see here, this is like this. So it is in the neutral position. This is a neutral position. So there you are seeing that is a neutral. And now this is zero axis. Now we are changing to upward y axis, that is 90 degrees. So right now you have got one message. Actually in sign language, when you show your palm towards upside, that is hi or how are you, or you are just interacting with others in starting your interaction. And that thing we have shown here. And the next thing is,
thank you very much. Bye. See you. Thank you very much. Bye. See you. Thank you.
so the next message is we have given us thank you and very much. For thank you and very much, you have to show your hand downwards. In sign language, they will be showing your hand in the same way. And the next thing is, you have, for each and every message or for each and every voice, you have to keep your hand in neutral. For first position, our hand was in neutral, and next we have raised our hand towards upside. So we got a message in LCD and we got a message through voice box also. And next time when we wanted the second message, again we have to put our hand in the neutral position and we have to take our message. So now we have completed our 2 messages. So this is the third position. And this is our 4th position.
Please switch on the lights and fan. Please switch on the lights and fan. Please switch on.
So here we are getting, can I have water or drinks please? So this is our total output. The thing is, we want to reduce the communication barrier between deaf and dumb people and the common people. Deaf and dumb people, they use sign language, so they will understand between themselves. But we common people cannot understand the sign language between deaf and dumb people. So learning sign language is very much difficult because we can't learn the sign language. We can learn, but that is too difficult. So we need a lot of time. But this experiment or this project minimizes all people's all people's difficulty here. So I last concluded through this project, even all the deaf and dumb people, they can communicate very easily with all the normal people. So they can even communicate, or they can even tell their thoughts very easily, because we all know that they will be having many innovative ideas or innovative thoughts which they are unable to explain because we are unable to understand their sign language. But this minimizes the problem. So this will be very useful.